Hello children, how are you all? Welcome you all in the e-learning class of Divine Public School. Today, Rachna ma'am is going to teach you something very interesting. It is something which flies in the sky. It has got a beak. It has got wings and feathers. Can you guess, children, what it is? Yes, it's a bird. Birds can fly in the sky. Do you know how do they fly? They fly with the help of their wings and feathers. They eat with their beaks. They stay in the nest. They make nest on the trees. It is a crow. Crow has black feathers with a large grey patch on the body. Do you know? It is a very intelligent bird. Wow! Look at this. How big ostrich. Do you know special about ostrich? It is so heavy that it cannot fly, but ostrich can run very fast. It is the heaviest bird in the world and it lays a big egg. It is an owl. Owl is a nocturnal bird. It sleeps in the day and active at night. It has a flat face and has big eyes. Its eyes help him to see things that are far away. This is a pigeon. The pigeon has grey feathers with a shiny green neck band. Pigeons make very nice sound. This is a hen. Hen lays eggs. Hen is a domesticated bird. This is sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. Sparrow lives both in cities and jungles. This is a duck. Do you know special about ducks? They can swim in the icy cold water. They do not feel cold. This is a parrot. The parrot is a green colored bird with a red beak and red band around its neck. Parrots can talk like us. This is a peacock. Do you know peacock is a national bird? It is very attractive bird. This is an eagle. Eagle is a very strong bird. It can fly so high with a heavy head and beak. It can look at its prey from the far. Children, this is your Picture Planet Part B book. Open page number 16. Birds. And repeat after me. Crow, ostrich, owl, pigeon, hen, sparrow, parrot, duck, peacock and eagle. Repeat again. Crow, ostrich, owl, pigeon, hen, sparrow, duck, parrot, peacock and eagle. Now children, open page number 17. See what is written. Help the duck to reach pond. It is a duck and here is a pond. You have to tell the route how it will go up to the pond. See, start from here like this, then it will not go here because road is blocked, so it will come here, then turn here, this way it will reach up to the pond. Next, choose a bird which lives in water from previous page. Paste the sticker of that bird in the given box. I told you which bird lives in water? Duck. Very good. Now paste the sticker of duck here. From sticker sheet, you will take the sticker and paste it here. Learn the names of the birds given on page number 16 from your Picture Planet book. Do the exercise given on page number 17 with the help of your parents. Thank you.